Yes, welcome back to my cooking channel and vlogging. What I'm gonna make an omelette, Jamaican style, okay? I have 3 eggs, onions, spring onions, scallion, whatever you wanna call it, tomatoes, Jamaican Scotch bonnet pepper, yellow bell pepper, green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and a peg of garlic. Here I got some all-purpose Maggi season. I got some garlic powder. You know, my traditional Caribbean ginger garlic pimento. I got black pepper right here, and I got some onion powder. Alright guys, so let's get right into it now. Alright guys, so I'm cracking the eggs. 3 eggs right here. So what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna whip the eggs. See? I see. So right now, finish with the eggs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season it with all these seasoning. So a little bit of black pepper, not much. A little bit of this, not much. A little bit of the garlic powder, and a little bit onion powder, and the Maggi all-purpose season. Make it delicious. And we're not gonna add any salt because these have enough salt already. So what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna just whip this in as well. That's me seasoning the egg, Jamaican style. So go guys. So chopping up the peppers. So what we want to kind of do here, we want to slice them very small, like in a dice, because we're going to use it to fill the omelette. So you can crisscross cut them just like this, then you even them just like that to get an even cut as well, just like that. Alright guys, so what I'm using some coconut oil, butter. So I'm gonna put a little bit. So what I'm gonna do basically, guys, I'm gonna fry up all this first. First I'm gonna put the onions to let the onion kind of burn a little. Not using a lot of grease. I do not like a lot of grease. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fry up all these things first. You can see it looking lovely. Love guys. Looking lovely. So I'm just frying up that first for like maybe 2-3 minutes. Sauteing that. In the meanwhile too, I'm gonna put a little of these on this. Not much. Just a little bit. Kind of give it a little taste as well. It's all about the seasoning, guys. All about the seasoning. Not much. Sip, more butter. Maybe 2-3 minutes. We don't want to overcook this because we want to leave a little crunch in it. A little crunch when you bite into it, so we're just getting all the flavors out. Right, so I finished saute, so I'm putting that aside. So now I'm gonna do the egg at this moment. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put all the butter in at this moment. I'm gonna use butter for the egg. Yeah, butter is kind of out of butter. You know it is in Jamaica, you know. Yeah. So basically, we're gonna use the butter to make the omelette at this moment. So we're gonna cook the eggs at this moment. Alright guys, check it out, looking lovely. Yeah, so we're letting it cook this moment. We like our eggs well done in Jamaica. No water runny eggs, so you can cook your eggs to how you want your eggs. Okay, so almost ready. I'm gonna add the seasoning to it for the middle. So guys, what I'm doing here, I'm adding the stuff inside. Yeah. Looking beautiful, looking lovely. Give them that good shot. Looking lovely. So what I'm gonna close that up. that in the middle. Lovely omelette. So let's put it here at this moment. So let's check that out. All done, guys. Looking lovely. Look at that. Look at that color. Look at that juice. Looking delicious. That's omelette right there. Yep, looking good. From the big bad chef from Jamaica, man. Yeah, man. Looking lovely, man. Guys, I also have some boiled egg with some avocado here. Yeah, man. Big breakfast this morning. All about the eggs. Yeah, remember to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment. Support the channel.